Hey, what's up, traders? Tuesday, August 22nd, 9 a.m., and these are your morning ideas. Hey, guys, so let's look at what we've got here. We have taken back this um, big area that we were talking about last week, looking for the market to bounce back to 4,300 because we had slipped below the 44.15 area. We didn't get there. What we did yesterday was we kind of rallied. You can see that um, we were. This isn't a real trade, guys. You can see I'm connected to a paper trader right now. I was doing some comparison stuff with different instruments. But you can see that today we've gone straight up. Yesterday was a bit of a rocky day where we went down right off of the open. And you can see that we've pushed, to the, past the overnight low. And then we bounced and we took out the overnight high as well, right at the close. I mean, we took out the overnight high, in the afternoon. But this is kind of an odd day to see these kind of reversals. And then overnight, kind of consolidated, and then we've gone higher with the volume point of control all the way at the highs. This is showing me that we'll likely continue higher off of the open as long as the volume point of control stays up there. Very toothy looking profile overnight, meaning that we don't really have any consensus. We're moving up, trading a bit, moving up, trading a bit, moving up, trading a bit, and we don't really have any consensus. We have a distribution down here as well. So this shows me that we're not quite in balance right now, and we're trying to move back big picture into this area. I do expect to see some kind of resistance. If we take this area back and we're able to hold above here, I really think that we'll start to move back into the middle, all the way back to 4,700, which we expected to see originally when I drew this line in the sand at 44.15. It's just that when we broke the 44.15 area, which I'm showing you here on the left, when we broke that area, I was expecting us to run into 4,300, and we just couldn't quite do that. I will say that we're not quite out of the water yet, though, because if we look at Forex Factory, it just is, again, the one that I look at. There's a million of these out there now, and we'll look at the entire week. You can see this week. Let's apply the settings. Oh, wrong one. Let me look at this week. This Jackson Hole Symposium on Thursday and Friday. Fed Speaker Powell is going to talk on Friday morning, I think at 9 o'clock. So I do expect to see Friday to be a really volatile day because there's a lot of world leaders here at the symposium, and we'll likely see him open up about the future of what we're going to do with inflation, if we're going to continue to hike to try to get to the 2% target or not, or we're going to slow down and maybe not only slow down the rate hikes, but maybe even cut early next year. And I think that the market will be waiting around later in the week for what he's going to say there. What does that mean? I just think that means that there's going to be a slowdown later in the week until he talks. And then on Friday, I think that we're going to have a really wild day. So that's the way it looks for me right now. The technical picture is that we're fighting back into this area. We didn't quite get to 4,300. It looks overnight like we want to go higher. That's what the technical picture looks like. The fundamental picture, of course, is kind of up in the air and driven by these rate hikes and seeing how inflation is doing and all of those good things. Okay, so today is the last day of, I know I said it on Friday, I misspoke, but today is the last day of the contest. So make sure that you're getting strong to the finish. We will announce that winner tomorrow. So I look forward to completing that, seeing who wins, handing out the cash prizes, and then seeing where we fall from there. Okay, we do again have the daily winner too, so make sure that even if you're out of the entire thing, that you could still win today. So that's it for the stuff that I can think of top of head right now at Take Profit. We've got some other stuff coming too. You guys are going to be excited about, and I'm happy to share that with you here in the next couple of days. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, please let us know.